Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. Let's go. Bose QuietComfort Ultra Bluetooth Headphones. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones deliver a premium listening experience with cutting-edge features. Equipped with spatial audio and custom-tuned technology, they provide personalized, immersive sound tailored to your ears. Whether in quiet, aware, or immersion mode, these headphones excel at noise cancellation, ensuring you stay focused in any environment. Comfort is a priority with soft ear cushions and a pressure-distributing headband, making them ideal for long listening sessions. Advanced Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection up to 30 feet, and Simple Sync lets you pair with Bose soundbars for seamless TV audio. Touch controls and motion-powered on-off functionality enhance convenience. The built-in microphones deliver crystal-clear call quality by filtering background noise, while the 24-hour battery life keeps the music going all day, or 18 hours with immersive audio. A quick 15-minute charge adds up to 2.5 hours of playtime. Perfect for audiophiles and professionals alike, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra redefines wireless headphones. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C is a high-performance 3D printer built for speed and precision. With PowerBoost 2.0 technology, it achieves printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second while maintaining 0.1 mm accuracy, allowing for faster, high-quality creations. The Precision mode supports 50 mm resolution, perfect for detailed projects. Its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make remote control and monitoring easy through the intuitive AnkerMake app. The printer supports various filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, thanks to its 300 C all-metal hot end and robust design. Beginners and experts alike will appreciate features like automatic bed leveling, filament outage recovery, and the PEI magnetic plate for easy removal of prints. With an effortless setup and wide compatibility, the M5C is ideal for creators seeking efficiency and reliability. Whether for professional use or hobby projects, this 3D printer delivers outstanding results with minimal hassle. Bose TV Speaker. The Bose TV Speaker is the ultimate upgrade for clear, immersive TV audio. This compact soundbar uses angled full-range drivers to deliver a wide, natural soundstage while focusing on dialogue enhancement, ensuring voices are crisp and easy to understand. Setting it up is a breeze with options for optical audio or HDMI connections. Its Bluetooth capability lets you stream music and podcasts directly from your devices. At just over 2 inches tall, it fits neatly in front of most TVs or mounts easily to the wall. The included remote allows you to toggle dialogue mode or boost bass for added depth. Compatible with Bose bass modules, it's perfect for expanding your home audio system. Whether watching movies or streaming music, the Bose TV Speaker combines simplicity and quality in a sleek, space-saving design. Anker Prime Docking Station. The Anker Prime Docking Station is a versatile 14-in-1 solution for powering and connecting your devices. With 160-watt total output, it charges up to 4 devices simultaneously, including 3 USB-C ports with 100-watt max each. Its 11 ports handle data transfer, dual 4K displays, and audio seamlessly, all at speeds up to 10 GB per second. The smart display keeps you informed about power levels and connection statuses, while wide compatibility ensures smooth integration with MacBooks, Windows PCs, Chrome OS devices, and more. Features like DP Alt Mode and power delivery further enhance usability. The sleek design includes a 3.3 feet USB-C cable and robust build quality, making it ideal for work or home setups. Whether you're managing multiple screens or transferring large files, the Anker Prime Docking Station streamlines your workflow with efficiency and style. ASUS ROG Strix G16. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is a beast for gamers and creators alike. Powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13650HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, it delivers exceptional performance for gaming and multitasking. The 165Hz FHD display offers vibrant visuals with 100% sRGB coverage and Pantone validation, ensuring true-to-life color. With 16GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, this laptop handles intensive workloads and gaming seamlessly. Its ROG intelligent cooling system, featuring Conductonaut Extreme liquid metal and triple fans, ensures optimal performance during long sessions. Extras like a free 90-day Xbox Game Pass and cutting-edge connectivity options make it a versatile powerhouse. Whether you're dominating in-game or editing videos, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is built to excel in every arena. Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite. Elevate your TV viewing experience with the Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite, designed to bring cinematic immersion to your living room. Its upgraded Govee InVisual technology ensures precise color matching along screen edges, creating stunning visual effects. The innovative 4-in-1 RGB ICW lamp bead introduces a warm white chip for natural vivid colors, perfect for enhancing movies or gaming sessions. The gravitational hanging camera design makes installation a breeze, adapting seamlessly to ultra-thin TVs without wobble. The Govee DreamView syncing feature takes immersion to the next level, allowing up to 7 devices to synchronize, enveloping your space in coordinated lighting effects. Compatible with any TV content, it ensures a flawless color match for streaming, gaming, or casual viewing. Control is simple via the Govee Home app or voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant, offering customization options like scene modes and blank screen detection. Whether it's ambiance or functionality, this backlight transforms your entertainment space. Logitech G502X Plus Lightspeed Wireless Optical Mouse. The Logitech G502X Plus redefines gaming precision with cutting-edge tech in an iconic design. Its Lightforce hybrid switches combine optical speed with mechanical reliability, ensuring precise actuation for every click. The Hero 25K gaming sensor delivers pinpoint accuracy without acceleration, making it a gamer's dream. Customization is effortless, thanks to the reversible DPI shift button and dual-mode scroll wheel. The LightSync RGB lighting adapts dynamically during gameplay, creating a stunning visual complement to your setup. With Lightspeed wireless connectivity boasting 68% faster response times, you'll stay ahead in every match. This mouse doesn't just perform, it lasts, featuring PowerPlay compatibility for continuous wireless charging, sold separately. Its ergonomic design and top-tier features make the G502X Plus a must-have for gamers seeking unparalleled performance. Logitech G29 Racing Wheel. Step into the driver's seat with the Logitech G29 Racing Wheel, a premium accessory for racing enthusiasts. Its 900-degree rotation and pressure-sensitive pedals replicate a real car's precision, giving you an authentic driving experience. Helical gearing ensures smooth, quiet operation, while the hand-stitched leather wheel adds a touch of luxury. Customize your setup with adjustable pedal faces and enhanced control through G-Hub gaming software. Compatible with PS5, PS4, and PC, it's perfect for all platforms. For an even more immersive experience, pair it with accessories like the driving force shifter. Made with eco-conscious materials, the G29 is not only built for durability, but also supports sustainable design. Whether you're mastering F1 circuits or drifting through city streets, this racing wheel puts you in full control. Gravastar Supernova Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Gravastar Supernova combines futuristic design with powerful performance. Featuring 30+ watts of volume booster amp, it delivers distortion-free sound even at maximum volume, ensuring a high-quality listening experience whether at home or outdoors. The speaker's dual-position design offers versatile placement options to suit your space. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, it guarantees stable connections up to 100 feet, perfect for seamless streaming. The 8-color RGB light show syncs with your music, creating a lively ambiance for any occasion. A 9-hour battery life keeps the party going, and convenient USB-C charging ensures you're never without sound. Designed for music lovers and party enthusiasts alike, the Supernova speaker delivers immersive audio with a dynamic flair. Fanttik E1 Max Mini Electric Screwdriver. The Fanttik E1 Max is a compact, high-precision tool ideal for DIY enthusiasts and tech repair pros. Its 50-in-1 magnetic bit set covers diverse tasks, from fixing electronics to assembling furniture, ensuring you're prepared for any challenge. The precision torque control, 0.2 high torque, 0.05 low torque, makes delicate tasks effortless. Crafted with aluminum alloy, this sleek screwdriver boasts durability and style. Its manual torque mode adds versatility for demanding tasks. Compact and easy to store, the E1 Max is as practical as it is efficient. Whether gifting for holidays or upgrading your toolbox, this screwdriver is an indispensable choice for precision work. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dashcam. The REDTIGER F7N Dashcam is a top-tier solution for comprehensive on-road security. Its 4K front and 1080p rear cameras deliver ultra-clear visuals, capturing every detail, from street signs to license plates. With wide-angle lenses, it minimizes blind spots, offering extended visibility. Equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, it tracks your location, routes, and speed. The intuitive REDTIGER app allows for seamless wireless video transfer and camera control. Its Starvis sensor and advanced WDR and HDR technology ensure exceptional clarity, even in low-light conditions or nighttime driving. The 24-hour parking monitor and G-sensor safeguard your vehicle around the clock, recording incidents and locking crucial footage. Plus, time-lapse recording ensures continuous surveillance, hardware kit required. With an 18-month guarantee and 24/7 customer support, the REDTIGER F7N offers reliability and peace of mind for every journey. PlayStation 5 Digital Edition. The PlayStation 5 Digital Edition takes gaming to a new level, with its ultra-high-speed SSD for lightning-fast load times and adaptive triggers for immersive gameplay. This disc-free console offers a streamlined, all-digital gaming experience. Included is the DualSense wireless controller, featuring haptic feedback and a comfortable grip, enhancing every interaction. Pre-installed with Astro's Playroom, you can dive into next-gen gaming right away. The console also supports 3D audio, bringing an added dimension to your gaming world. Boasting a sleek, futuristic design, the PS5 Digital Edition pairs effortlessly with your setup. With 1TB SSD storage, you can download and enjoy a vast library of games from the PlayStation Store. If you're ready to embrace cutting-edge gaming, the PS5 Digital Edition delivers the innovation and performance you've been waiting for. PlayStation VR 2. The PlayStation VR 2 redefines virtual reality with groundbreaking 4K HDR visuals and a 110-degree field of view, ensuring stunningly immersive experiences. Its Sense technology includes eye tracking, haptic feedback, and adaptive triggers, letting you truly feel the game. Equipped with highly intuitive controls and finger touch detection, it responds seamlessly to your movements, creating a natural, engaging interaction. From cutting-edge graphics to 3D audio, the PlayStation VR 2 transports you to new gaming dimensions. Whether you're exploring fantastical worlds or competing in fast-paced action games, the PlayStation VR 2's advanced rendering performance and innovative features set it apart as a must-have accessory for gamers seeking unparalleled immersion. Sony PS-LX310BT Belt Drive Turntable. Rediscover the magic of vinyl with the Sony PS-LX310BT turntable. With one-step auto start, stop, and return, it's incredibly user-friendly for both seasoned audiophiles and newcomers. Offering 2 speeds, 33 Hz and 45 RPM, it accommodates your entire record collection with a neatly stowed 45 RPM adapter for convenience. This turntable delivers high-quality audio thanks to its switchable phono preamp and 3 gain settings. Its USB ripping feature lets you digitize your records, bringing your favorite LPs into the digital age. The Bluetooth connectivity supports wireless pairing with speakers or headphones, while the RCA outputs provide versatile wired options. Its stable aluminum die-cast platter minimizes vibrations, ensuring a smooth, high-fidelity listening experience. For anyone seeking modern functionality with classic charm, the PS-LX310BT is a perfect choice. Sony Alpha ZV-E10. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is a dream camera for creators and vloggers. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and Bion ZX processor, it delivers stunning image quality and rich detail. Its 4K video capabilities, oversampled from 6K with no pixel binning, produce crisp and professional-grade footage. Unique features, like the product showcase setting, make transitioning focus from your face to an object seamless, while the background defocus button instantly blurs or sharpens your backdrop for cinematic effects. Live streaming is a breeze, with simple USB connectivity, eliminating the need for extra hardware. Compact yet powerful, the ZV-E10's versatility makes it perfect for creators looking to elevate their content effortlessly. These 15 electrical gadgets from Amazon deliver functionality, style, and cutting-edge technology, making them essential additions to any tech lover's collection. From enhancing productivity to transforming your entertainment, these devices are designed to simplify and elevate your everyday life. Whether you're shopping for yourself or a fellow tech enthusiast, these finds are too good to miss. Ready to explore these must-have gadgets? Click the links in our review to discover Amazon's best electrical devices and bring home the innovation today.